Hello everybody, this is Miguel with Galaxy Campers, and today is delivery day and we're going to be installing a SQ610 Lance on a 2007 1500 truck. So the SQ610 is 6'10" in length, so this camper is going to fit 5.5 foot beds and 6.5 foot beds. So on your 1500s, you're going to have the option of a 5.5 foot bed or a 6.5 foot bed truck, which this camper is going to fit both. And once we load it, you're going to be able to see it on the truck and how it fits. And on the F250s and F350s, 2500s, 3500s, it's going to be a flush mounted camper on the rear end. And that's what's making this camper one of the most popular campers on the market. It also is under 13 feet long, so overall length from the back to the front, the space you would need is just 13 feet of length. And now that it's all loaded up and tied down, we'll walk around the camper and show you a couple of features that the SQ610 comes with. So the SQ610 comes standard with electric jacks to load and offload and a remote. Also on board is a 5-gallon propane tank. It comes standard. Your in-demand water heater system and the propane furnace. The SQ610 is also a fully self-contained camper carrying 14 gallons of fresh water, 13 in the gray tank, and 15 in the black tank. So we optioned in the air conditioner on this unit, the side awning, and also the backup system. So we mounted this camper on a 5.5 foot bed, and you can see the overhang coming off the back, but we can also mount this camper on a 6.5 foot bed. That will put the camper and the back of the truck flush with the bumper, making it easy to tow. If you like what you saw, we'd love to have you visit Galaxy Campers. Call us today at 909-988-4744 to schedule your appointment, or visit galaxycampers.com to explore more inventory. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest inventory walkthroughs, product spotlights, and helpful how-to videos to make the most out of your camper or trailer. And remember, your next adventure starts here at Galaxy Campers.